What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make free PayPal money instantly, and we're talking about 50 cents in 10 seconds, and you can do this again and again. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell also to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at one application actually to download to our smartphone, and it doesn't get any easier than this because the questions that we're going to answer there is super easy and super simple. Now before we dive into this, keep in mind you won't get rich with this kind of opportunity, so if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you definitely need to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end of this video because for now we want to make some free PayPal money easily by answering simple questions on our smartphone. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the application that we're going to have a look at is available both for Android and iOS, and it's called OneQ, exactly as you can see here, OneQ. So you can see here from the screenshots how easy it is. Okay, so they ask you questions like where do you get your morning coffee, and you have 4 or 5 choices here. You answer that you drink it on your local coffee shop or your Starbucks or whatever, and you get paid instantly. Okay, you can see here they just pay you out. So if I have a look at the description below here, OneQ pays you, or a charity if you choose, an instant 50 cents every time you answer a simple question. Seriously, it's that simple. Companies ask, you get paid instantly to your PayPal account. We call them askverts. Now if you don't have a PayPal account, you can set one up, of course. They believe that your personal info has value and you should be compensated for that. So if the company wants 5, 10 or 30 seconds of your time, they should pay you. So how it works, if we have a look at it here, companies all over the world are interested in your opinion or in simply sending you an offer based on who you are and where you are. And the system they have there, they allows them to send those questions and offers directly to you. Now they pay $1 actually per response, and they pay you 50 cents of that. So fair enough. I mean, they split 50-50 actually here. So they only send you 1 question at a time. So they pay you for about 10 of your seconds. So there you have it, 10 seconds and you get paid 50 cents. And how easy is it really to make PayPal money by just answering a simple question on where you drink coffee and so on. So all you have to do is download the app here. Has pretty good ratings and reviews. Let's have a look at it also in the Google Play here for Android. You can see here it is the same. Then another question is, what's your favorite pizza topping? What candidate do you plan to vote for? And so on. So really simple and easy questions actually. And I think that the description is pretty much the same. They pay us $1 as I mentioned earlier here. So 50 cents for about 10 of your seconds, okay? So 10 seconds of your time and you get paid 50 cents. Now there is also another, there is some more questions. They might pay you 25 cents if it is easier questions. So it all depends really, okay? Now of course you have to be quick here. The company sending the questions and offers at their own time limit, so you have to be alert there, and whenever they send the questions to answer them really simple and fast, of course. You can see here that regarding the privacy, they won't share your name or contact info with anyone, so really nice. And it has pretty good reviews here also, so from what I've seen, it's definitely legitimate and very, very positive reviews here as well. So all you have to do, depending on what kind of device you're on, if you're Android, you go to Google Play, search for OneQ, or of course if you're on Apple iOS, you go there and search for OneQ. Alright, so there you have it, how you can make free PayPal money instantly, and we're talking about 50 cents in 10 seconds, and you can do this again and again. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, that you probably won't get rich with this kind of opportunity. So if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, you want to check out the link that I have in the description below here. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet, you find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both. Both are related to make money online, internet marketing, work from home opportunities, and much more. So subscribe to both, hit the notification bell also, and you also find another make money online video recommendation there. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.